Do you know you can monetize your YouTube channel in just 10 days, without spending money on ads, without showing your face, and even without expensive equipment? Yes, it's possible. Today, I'll walk you step by step through a proven 10-day strategy that many creators use to hit monetization requirements faster. Stick with me till the end, because I'll share one powerful secret that can double your chances of success. First, let's be clear. To monetize on YouTube, you need two things: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. That may sound intimidating, but if we break it into a daily system, it becomes achievable. In this video, I'll give you a 10-day roadmap to set up, grow, and optimize your channel fast. Day 1 is all about setup. Create a strong channel name, upload a simple but professional logo, and set a clean banner. Your branding should instantly tell viewers what your channel is about. Don't overcomplicate. Clarity beats fancy graphics. Also, set up your About section with keywords that reflect your niche and link your socials. Days 2 and 3 are for planning content. Pick a niche and stick to it. Whether it's gaming, tutorials, motivation, or reactions, consistency builds authority. Create a list of 5 video ideas using tools like YouTube Search, Google Trends, or Answer the Public. For example, instead of making random content, target what people are already searching for: how to lose belly fat, top 5 mobile apps, or AI tools for beginners. Next is production without showing your face. On days 4 and 5, start producing content. You don't need to show your face. You can use AI voiceovers, stock footage, animations, or screen recordings. Tools like Canva, CapCut, Pexels, or AI stock libraries make this easy. The key is to keep your videos engaging with text overlays, background music, and cuts every 5 to 10 seconds. Now it's time to upload your first few videos. This is where most beginners fail. They just throw content up. Instead, use SEO. Add your main keyword in your title, description, and tags. Use 3 hashtags. Write a short, engaging description with timestamps. And don't forget the thumbnail, bold text, high contrast colors, and curiosity-driven design. Day 8 is about promotion. Share your video in niche Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and WhatsApp communities. But don't spam, provide value first. Reply to comments quickly and pin your own comment with extra tips or links. Engagement pushes your video higher in recommendations. Day 9 is consistency. Post at least 3 videos in these 10 days. YouTube loves consistent uploads. Even short 1 to 2 minute shorts can skyrocket your views. Quantity creates momentum, and momentum drives subscribers. Finally, day 10, the secret hack. Collaborate even without showing your face. Remix trending shorts, use duets, or feature top comments from your viewers. This sparks community and growth. By now, if you've followed these steps, you've laid a foundation that can take you to monetization much faster than random posting. Remember, your first 1,000 subs are the hardest. Stay consistent, keep improving, and YouTube will reward you. Thanks for watching, and if you want more faceless creator strategies, don't forget to subscribe.